Here's an interesting point that you may not have thought of. In the scenario that the examiner gives you, you need to be aware of what stage of the audit process am I at. If I'm at the planning stage, then therefore you should think to yourself that the report outcome is not needed. So, don't discuss the audit report because not really needed at that stage. Are you at the completion stage of the audit? Okay, so you're at the completion stage. Here, you might need some additional procedures. Okay, they might still need, because you're trying to complete it, yeah, we need to do some post-year end additional procedures, that sort of thing. And when you're at the reporting stage, well, therefore, it's too late. Okay, it's not something that generally occurs. No additional procedures you need to be talking about here. Here, obviously, the reporting stage, you're talking about like what's the effect on the report. Okay, because at the reporting stage, the testing is complete and concluded on correctly. All right, so just a quick idea, really, how the stage of the audit can help you.